Okay, here's a quick tour of what I've done to this poor VQD 106 kit. So this started out as the Quiet Design kit. All of these pads are the Quiet pads. They do have very, very low ambient noise. I'm sure you're not picking any of that up in my lav mic. After that, I added the 14-inch digital snare. And at first, I just plugged it straight into the laptop using Superior Drummer and did a video on that. I'll put a link in the description. But later I did get the V71 module and everything's plugged into that now. And I added the 14-inch digital hi-hat. And it's a physically moving hi-hat. So that meant adding a physical pedal. And I do like my hi-hat on the right, so I'm using the remote hi-hat system from DW using a cable. And I added double kick pedals. So I have just double beaters on one kick. And because of that, I needed to be able to move my feet between the two, so I added the drop clutch. So I can just drop that and use the kick. I can just pick it back up when I need it. I did a video on that also. Then I added the 18-inch digital ride. So we're getting close. The idea is to eventually move this to essentially a V80 716, the acoustic design. So, and I want it in gloss cherry, by the way. But I'll keep this arrangement, I think. I like having 3 rack toms. I actually do them in reverse order. It seems like reverse from high to low, right to left, and floor. So I'll probably do a 10-inch, 12-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch floor, and a 22-inch kick. And so then this thing will be a V80 716. Then I'll take this entire kit with the rack and move it off to the side, and my wife is thinking of picking up the drums. So that'll be very cool.